Bente Grysbæk was too busy running a successful Melbourne restaurant to see the breakdown coming. A major anxiety attack left her unable to breathe. She thought she was going to die. This is how Bente used fire to fight her way back.
I drove to the bush, gathered some wood and built a fire, just like when I was a kid on our farm back in Denmark. Then I started cooking simple food, not like a chef, just me and the fire.
After her anxiety attack, Bente quit her city restaurant to rebuild her life and reconnect with her Viking heritage. It's a long way from the busy kitchens where she forged an international cooking career. In the bush, there's no perfectionism, there's no pressure, just fire, coals, smoke, and whatever ingredients she can source from local farmers.
There's something primal about it, smelling the smoke and building up an appetite while your food cooks on the fire. Now I want to share that feeling with other people, show them how to build a bonfire and cook on it, and find joy in simple pleasures. There's nothing better.
Bente is now taking bonfire cooking masterclasses called Off the Grid, leaving the stress and anxiety of the restaurant business behind her.
That fire healed me. It might sound crazy, but it fixed me. Being out in the bush, building a fire, it saved my life.